So, folks, Dooley, our producers once again come up with some stupid game for us to play. This one is called Floor is Lava.
All right. Let me lose the heels, because how this works is that we're to answer questions, and if we get any wrong, we are to fold the paper in two under our feet. And if at any point we come off the paper, we are in lava. And we're out of the game because the whole of our foot bottom burn up.
So hold on now. Is I get a question, Dila get a question, Garth get a question, or
How it go?
everybody answering the same question? All right, so we must 2 foot on this right away? Mm-hmm. All right. Put up the question, make a deal with this one.
But my foot off right already, you know,
Yeah,
because
well,
of size.
Yeah, this not make for big foot people.
Who were the first inhabitants of Jamaica? Tainos.
The Tainos.
Tainos, we said that already. Come, next one. Who were the first? We don't say that already, Tainos. In what year did the English capture Jamaica from the Spanish? Them did capture it?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
1655, I think it was.
Well, on, man.
Oh, sorry.
What you say, 1655?
That me, sir.
That'll do shit.
Jesus knows all about.
No disrespect
go
to
work
that,
with
but
God.
I may I go with still, and you say
I got-
1655.
I got-
Got its own kind of confidence.
So me go with God.
Make
If
we say
anything, the whole of we have full
1655.
paper this
Everybody
morning.
are full together.
No, God, you win easy,
1655?
man. Yes,
Yay!
man. It's a very simple thing.
Yay!
No, it's a, so how come you said Tainos, I want to not clink me? It's all right. Watch me out.
That's what we get 2 a while ago. This
Yeah,
is the
man.
first one.
Come again. Slide over the first 3
True.
minutes, just having a job. That's true.
True.
I agree with it, no.
That is true. Thank you very much. Come again. What we now move till tomorrow because we get Henry Morgan served as Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica.
Henry Morgan. Yes.
True.
I don't know. So I'm going to go with my
Start
colleagues.
full front, no, if you don't know, you know.
I'll go with my colleagues.
True.
True them say. All right. Port Royal is famous for his what?
That's a very ambiguous
Yes, question.
question.
Yeah, let's say it was the
I
wickedest
can
city
say
in the
it was
world.
famous for its gold.
No,
I
let's say
can
it's-
say it
it's
was
what they're
famous
looking
for the tsunami.
For its economic prowess.
I can say it was famous for its piracy. There are so many
Hold
things.
on, right.
Is it the tsunami, which people call the earthquake?
It could have famous for Glorias.
Right.
Yeah,
So, it's a very ambiguous question, poorly worded. Testing and measurement, 0.
Sunken City.
So
What's the
it was
answer?
famous for what?
So what's the answer?
I said
But
piracy.
she said piracy.
And buccaneering.
Dela said
I
piracy
said
long
piracy.
time. No, but Dela said piracy.
It's all right.
No,
you know
but
what?
hold on, no. Wait, no. I
We're
don't
gonna
mind
have
folding.
words after
Wait, no.
this.
I don't mind folding the paper, but,
No, but
you said to us that is the 3 of us must get it, and Delia got it.
I said piracy.
All right. Hold on, no. It's
But
not a problem.
no, but then so we are playing.
Never your foot a bun up. It's supposed
We
to
are
stand up on
players at
something.
it. If you turn
Your
up,
foot a bun up,
never
never.
your shoes are bun up.
Shoes a bun up, never.
The
Hold
next
on,
foot are burn.
No, but them say I must fold. Me can't fold it with
In
it
two.
under my foot.
It's in two.
Them never tell you.
Yes, Neville, I told myself. Neville is two. Neville,
They not told me I fold it now.
no, you fold it in about quarter
All
or
right.
something.
There you go.
Oh my God. All right.
All right. Next
See you
one.
then. Next.
Next one. That Delia guy.
In what year was Port Royal destroyed by an earthquake and tsunami?
1692.
Yeah, isn't that 1692? I think it was.
Never. May I go with you, you know? I'm 16. Yeah.
No, but you know this. When Delia, you don't click me when me click up the thing. I want more clicks. Which national hero led the Christmas rebellion in Jamaica?
Sam Sharp, the
right.
great Sam
Oh, I know Santa
Sharp.
Claus. Oh.
No.
Santa Claus, man, you all again.
Santa Shop.
Norman Manley was
Oh, shut up. That's true. Norman
Norman
Manley
Manley was Jamaica's first
premier.
premier.
That's
Correct.
True. That is true. Thank you very much.
Universal adult suffrage.
suffrage.
Correct.
That's right. 1944, true, yeah.
A civics people who are talking.
Emancipation.
Granted to
Year.
slaves 1830.
8. 4. Hold on, 4 or 8.
18.
Let's read the question again.
In what year was it
Is
granted?
either
to slaves?
1834 or
Granted to slaves in
1838?
Jamaica.
We're not finished.
Well, we're
no
not finished
buzzing.
all now.
Why you all
So
about
none of the two? Is none of the two? Must pick one.
1.
I said 30.
8. That is it?
Wait a second, never.
Never the paper 4.5 already, you know.
1830. Wait, no man, we are working.
1834. Thank you.
Yes, so when I watch.
Oh, sir. No, you bust at 38.
No, Mr. 34
no,
or
no,
38.
you bust at 38. No, you bust at 38.
Fine.
No, you didn't bust at 38.
Oh my God, I'm going to stand up and after this.
You ever hear about heel and toe?
Oh, all right.
Come again. Who was Jamaica's first native governor general?
Oh my gosh, I know.
Is that Sir Clifford Campbell?
Yeah, God.
Actually, I was going to say that too, yeah.
Me too never. Me say, and him finish it.
Which of these were not brought to Jamaica by the Spanish? Cassava, sugarcane, orange, and mangoes.
We're not.
We're not brought to, which of these, meaning more than one thing? Or one thing?
Well, only the pound
Which
one.
of these were not? Mr. Common Entrance girl,
We're
you know.
not.
Well, the Spanish did not bring
Cane.
sugar cane.
Right. And I think them did bring cassava either. Me I go with, no man, it's a which of these? But I could have more
Were
than one.
not brought.
So I say,
That's why I'm asking, is it just one? Which? Meaning one?
I want,
Look
sorry?
here, I come and entrance me taking a while to come with the pep question this morning. Never did I'm not this.
I never said nothing.
What
so
are we
I not-
buzzing
What have never
about?
come with? What's the answer? Then what's
I
the
never said
answer?
nothing.
Answer. What are we buzzing for? This?
What's the answer? Cassava.
I never. What
Oh.
came out said cassava
The
long time.
Spanish brought sugar cane here?
I-
They lay your foot above.
No, fold up the something because, you know, from when me just catch us so proper. Final question is, where is Vineyard Town?
What is the next question?
General Soldier. We're so cool.
Listen, 98%.
Roughly.
That's my score.
No, man. A master's thing that, man.
Come on.
98. Got there 40. Never.
Don't it? Watch out.
It's a one fold me give them.
Show them what got there for me, please.
It's a one
Hello.
fold me give them.
Hello.
That's up.
Hello.